Introducing the world's first hanging basket, Salvia Hummingbird Falls. This is a fantastic Salvia garanitica type with wonderful dark black calyces and stems and really wonderful deep saturated purple blooms. This plant is perfect for naturally feeding the hummingbirds in your garden. We've just had tests completed showing the high nectar count of this plant, so it is a natural hummingbird magnet. The plant flowers all the way through the season with these lovely dark blooms. The internodes are very tight, so as well as in a hanging basket, it's also great as a foundation plant in your pollinator borders. The plants are zone 7, so if you're in an area where it's going to get frosted, it will die in the winter time and you will need to start it again in the spring, but it will grow for you all the way through the season and provide lots of beautiful blooms. We're super excited about this and there'll be new colours coming. Check for it in your favourite garden retailer.